Welcome to this month's episode of What's New in Optmyzr. My name is Isha, and I am from the team here at Optmyzr, and I'm very excited to show you all the new updates that we have made live and all the new features that we've added to the tool specifically for the holiday season that's coming in. So, first up, we'll be discussing the BFCM command center. Second, we'll discuss LinkedIn targeting for Microsoft ads. Then we've also added a campaign level search term scope and role engine. We have Amazon Seller Central integration with Optmyzr. Last up would be the seasonal performance trend tool that we have added recently to the platform. Okay, so first up, for the Black Friday Cyber Monday Command Center, you can find the tool under Shopping section right here. And this is the tool, Black Friday Dashboard. I've opened it in another tab. So this is a comprehensive view for all your BFCM campaigns that you'll be running. We have different widgets here that will help you understand how your metrics have been performing for the whole day or your budget consumption. And we also have something for top campaigns, top search terms. It is one place for all the things that you would need. Essentially, this would help you stay on track for all those busy BFCM days wherein you don't have the time to look at everything deeply. Going through this dashboard will give you a check for all the aspects for your BFCM campaigns. Next up, we have the LinkedIn targeting for Microsoft Ads. So this is one of the Express optimization suggestions that you'll find under Optmyzr Express. You'll be able to find it under Manage and Optimize, the first tool right here. So this is the suggestion. I'll just click on this. You'll be able to add the LinkedIn audience targeting to your Microsoft ad campaigns directly from here. For example, it will fetch all those campaigns or the ad group name that doesn't have a LinkedIn targeting added to it, and it will suggest you to add it right there. So if I click add here, I'll be able to first choose if I'm willing to target a specific industry or a job function. So it depends if you're willing to link it or add a targeting to a specific profession. If you're willing to target it to a specific profession, then you can choose this job function option. Otherwise, you can just let it be as company, add more details to it, and that's it. You'll be good to go. This will add it directly to your Microsoft ad campaigns. Next up, we have this campaign search term scope. I'll just quickly create a demo strategy here. So this scope essentially aggregates all the campaign level search term data, and you can filter out the search terms on the basis of performance and then take actions like adding those search terms as positive keywords, negative keywords, or just adding them as an insight report. This will not only help you to reduce the wasted spend, but will also help you have that scalability or targeting the right keywords depending on the search term performance. One highlight of the scope is that it also works with PMax and AI Max search terms. If you say edit, and if I add a condition here saying match type is equal to Performance Max or AI Max, it will also list down those categories of search terms. The next tool that we have here is Seasonal Performance Trends. This is an insight tool that will help you understand how your account has been performing for a selected time period. You'll be able to find this tool under Audits and Insights right here. This would be the tool. So instead of looking at spreadsheets manually or just comparing your performance data for different metrics manually, you'll be able to get charts in this tool to analyze how your different metrics have been performing for any time period that you choose from here. Right now, it works for 3 major periods: yearly, monthly, and weekly. And it gives you the data for some of your key performance metrics: cost, clicks, conversions, and conversion value. So if you see, there are 2 charts. To give you an explanation, we can pick clicks and I can explain both of these charts. So the first one, let's start with the change in baseline. This chart that you see here is showing you how your clicks have been performing for the selected time period. Let's say if there's an incline in the chart in the baseline, you'll understand that my clicks have been performing pretty nicely. and I might want to push my budgets more to get more clicks. Whereas if it's a stable line or if it's a flat line, then it generally means that your current strategy is just doing fine. You don't need to be very pushy. If you don't want to increase it, you can just be stagnant right there. Whereas if it shows a decline value here, then that would be an indication that you might want to change your approach or look at potential causes. So, yeah, that's about change in baseline. Moving on the seasonal trends, this basically shows you the performance for a repetitive cycle. For example, if you see that there's a specific trend that your performance in terms of clicks tend to rise at a certain time period in the month, probably in the mid of the month, then you might want to increase your budget for that specific time period instead of those days wherein you see that the clicks haven't been performing well and it's a pattern. For example, if you see in the first of the month around October 4th, you'll be able to see that there's a decline in clicks. And same goes for November 1st to November 6th. So basically, first 5 days of the month have been declining in terms of clicks. So you might not want to have budgets there. And you can scale on those days wherein campaigns are going to perform well. That is how you can make more analyzed decisions and data driven decisions and increase the budgets wherever it's actually required. That's about the seasonal performance trends. Next, we have the Amazon Seller Central integration. We've added a few more performance metrics that you can check out from the All Accounts dashboard and in the Accounts dashboard for a specific Amazon account. You'll be able to find some ad organic or ad attributed metrics for these accounts. For that, you can just click on choose column here and you can go to Amazon Seller Central. When you click on the dropdown, you'll be able to see all these metrics right here. So if I just choose a few of them and I say apply, I'll get another column right here. And I can obviously do this. Okay. So if it has the data, it will show up here. And when you also go into the accounts dashboard, I'll just quickly load it. You'll be able to get the same metrics on this dashboard as well under the performance metrics widget right here. So you can, yeah, the ACOS is there, ad sales is there. You can also click on choose columns and add a few more from here. If you have, these will be enabled and you can just check them from here and say apply. That brings us to the end of this session for this month. Thank you so much for watching What's New in Optmyzr for the month of November. Please remember, if you have any questions, doubts, feedback on any of these features, you're free to reach out to us at support@optmyzr.com and we'll be happy to help you out. We hope the session was helpful and we'll be more than excited to bring you more sessions like these with all the new updates and the features that we made live going forward. Thank you so much. Have a good day.